How's it going, guys? What I want to do in this video is talk to you all about the regular checks that you should do on your equipment if you are a new owner of one of these machines. Of course, this is my John Deere 1025R with the 120R loader, and it's a good idea just each time you go to use your machine is, of course, to check the oil as well as do a couple of other things, and that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Your oil dipstick on the 1025, you can see it right here. It's on the same side as the lever for your front end loader as well as your fuel filter right here. But that is a quick check that you should do regularly. Just make sure that you have plenty of engine oil. The other thing that you want to check is, of course, your transmission oil, your hydraulic oil right here. This dipstick, it just takes a couple of minutes to pull it out, wipe it off, make sure that your levels are correct. Okay, oil is very cheap in comparison to parts. Another thing that I like to do, you'll see that I've got my grease gun sitting here, is after I've used the loader, I went ahead and shot a couple of pumps of grease in each of the fittings. All these here, both of these, all of the joints. Okay, you've got two of them up here on the bucket on each side, so make sure that you regularly check that. And you also have the axle oil level as well, and you can check that here. Of course, typically you shouldn't have any issues unless you've noticed a leak, but you're out using it, it doesn't take but just a couple minutes to make sure that it has the correct level, so why not go ahead and check it. Equipment is expensive, as most of you guys know. Oil and grease is cheap. Something else that I do when I have the deck off, recently I had it off to use the front end loader, and while I had it off, I went ahead and gave each of the grease certs on the mowing deck a couple of pumps as well. Just straight through here. You want to wipe off the grease, before, wipe the certs off before you actually put grease in them. That way you kind of get rid of the contamination. You have got another one up there, and as well as on the other side. But just all of the fittings, it's a good idea when you have this off to go ahead and give it just a little bit of grease. Use a good quality grease, use good quality oils, and keep up your maintenance. This is just a few checks, regular checks that you should do with your equipment prior to using it. Okay, but guys, just a quick video that I wanted to do. Let me know how often you do these checks on your machine. I'd love to know. Leave your answer down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to subscribe. Let me hear from you guys, and we'll see you next time.